Huijue Intelligent Energy Management System is a set of integrated energy cabinet equipment, photovoltaic energy storage equipment monitoring and maintenance system. It can collect data, display data, fault detection, remote control operation, multi-source scheduling, and so on. Cloud deployment, local deployment, login using browser software. Equipped with intelligent mobile terminal app, it can meet the needs of users to view and manage integrated cabinet resources anytime and anywhere, and is suitable for on-site construction and on-site operation and maintenance engineers. The equipment it can support are power equipment, UPS, distribution units, distribution switches, batteries, generators, power modules, converters, and so on. Energy source, photovoltaic, wind power, oil machine, MES, energy storage system, etc. Security equipment, access control, video, fire protection, lightning protection, and so on. Environment equipment, temperature and humidity, water, air conditioning, gas sensor, and so on. Equipment, OS, network equipment, database, and so on. Other equipment, professional equipment installed in the cabinet, such as seismometers,